Welcome back. In this explainer, we're diving into Aloha Crater Lodge's genius logistical bypass and reset strategies. Because let's face it, nobody wants to be stuck in a generic gridlocked tourist trap, right? So it really comes down to this: idling in brutal rental car traffic versus completely frictionless gate access. See, between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., Kilauea's park gates and parking lots are an absolute nightmare. But the lodge, it's strategically isolated exactly 2.0 miles from the national park border. This allows them to deploy on-property, all-terrain e-bikes. It's basically your silent recon solution. With these e-bikes, you literally cruise right past entrance queues and parking bottlenecks. Total schedule control. Okay, moving into phase 2, let's look at how this setup builds serious tactical autonomy. Volcano Village kitchens strictly close by 8:30 p.m. That's a huge problem for late-night crater recon. The solution? Independent private kitchenettes. They give you absolute meal and departure control no matter the hour. You secure your locally sourced fuel early, store it, and return from late-night viewing completely unrestricted. Now, after heavy trail trekking, you need phase 3. We're talking about the ultimate physical reset. Enter the Bioregeneration Recovery Room. It's a high-tech, self-directed environment engineered specifically for active trail recovery. You get to completely skip those noisy communal lounges for a private, laser-focused recovery sector. You deploy the OlyLife T90, initiate the Galaxy G1, and aggressively clear out that trail fatigue. The OlyLife P90 uses bioelectromagnetic energy and terahertz waves to give you a complete circulatory reset. Next up, the Galaxy G1 Smart Massager delivers a vital optical reset after hours of landscape scanning. Finally, hit the deep outdoor jetted tubs under the fern canopy for intense, rapid muscle recovery. So why does all this matter? Because mastering these bypasses guarantees a superior, focused Kilauea exploration. The only question left is, will your next expedition be a generic tour or a tactically optimized mission?